To view your T-Mobile call history, you can use either the My T-Mobile app or the web portal. In the My T-Mobile app, available on iOS and Android, navigate to the Account tab, then Usage, and finally Calls and Texts. Select the desired line and filter by date range. To download, tap the Download button to export as a CSV or PDF file. For the web portal, go to my.tmobile.com and sign in. Click Usage, then View Usage Details and Calls. Use filters to refine your search by dates, numbers, or call types, and then export using the Download button. Remember, free accounts show the last 90 days of call history, while premium plans offer up to 18 months. As of 2025, T-Mobile uses end-to-end encryption for call logs to protect your privacy. When viewing or downloading your call history, remember that dates and filters are crucial for efficient searching. While history is available from the account's activation date, free accounts typically limit access to the last 90 days, and premium accounts may show up to 180 days or more. For large exports, use the web version to avoid app crashes. T-Mobile's call history includes voice calls, but not texts or data unless specifically integrated. International calls may experience delayed syncing. As for privacy, T-Mobile encrypts and stores your data securely, allowing you to opt out of third-party sharing in your account settings. You can also use the call history to solve billing disputes. For example, a user was able to solve an overcharge of $150 by using his call history.